First of all, thank you so much for following along with me during Vlogmas. It's been a challenge, but I'm proud of myself for getting this far. In this video today, I'm wrapping up the holiday season with a little bit of self-care, some baking, and a desk refresh to bring Christmas vibes. Let's start off with a quick trip to the nail salon. And I said quick, and I'm acting like I don't know how to work my car. So getting my nails done was definitely a treat. My budget wasn't budgeting this Christmas, but I decided to get this cute, that was my inspiration nail design, and this is what I got. Let me know, what do you think? So I also made some banana pudding. Now this footage is actually from Thanksgiving, but I ain't had time to upload it for them. So I'm actually doing the Paula Deen's Not Your Mama's banana pudding recipe. I found it on Pinterest years ago, and I always make it. Sometimes I do a little variation and what have you. You can find the recipe all over the place, but if you want me to show you how I make mine, let me know in the comments, and I will be so excited to do it for you. So in the meantime, you can just kind of look. I just prepare everything, and then just short footages of me assembling it. And I do use the Pepperidge Farm Bordeaux eggnog and chessmen cookies for this particular recipe. The chessmen, as you can see, is what I use to line my trifle, and the Bordeaux and the eggnog, I crush it, and that's what I use for the base of the banana pudding. And then I use them whole in the middle and a little broken up, alternating for the inside layer of the banana pudding. And when I get through, I just cover it over with a plastic wrap and sit it in the I was gonna say in the oven, in the fridge overnight, so it'll be perfect in the morning. And before I go, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who's watched, liked, or commented on my videos this season. I truly appreciate every single one of you, and I'm so grateful for all my new and future subscribers / supporters. If you have any ideas for future content, let me know please in the comment. I love to hear them. Vlogmas has definitely been a challenge, but I did my best, and I'm proud of what I have accomplished. The most important thing is to not give up. If you're starting out in YouTube or anything else, don't give up. Stay consistent, which I have not, but I'm going to do better. If you love my Christmas planner tutorial, make sure to check out my other channel, the Canva Cafe, where I share even more creative content, usually using Canva. I show you how to design with Canva over on that channel. Thanks again for all the love this season, and I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully it won't be the new year, but who am I kidding? I probably won't post till then. So thank you for all your support. It means the world to me. Love you so much. Bye. Oh, and if you want to know where I got the stickers from, I got them from Amazon, and if I remember, I'll leave a link in the description if you want to get your self some too. It's a cute little boho inspired, like neutral natural theme. I have 50 million different stickers because I'm obsessed with stickers, just like I am with planners. And I got those paper clips from Temu, I believe. But yeah, once again, thank you so much. Love you. Bye. Oh, did I mention today's Christmas that I'm recording this? Have a happy holiday.